Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have the September Maxi Makes quilting and sewing box to unbox for you guys today. If you're unfamiliar with the Maxi Makes boxes, I've done a couple reviews on them so far, but they're basically just a monthly sewing and quilting subscription box. Each month's box includes all the products that you're going to need to make whatever project is in there for you, so you can learn a new skill and have everything you need as well. Inside each box there's also a coupon code so you can get into her members only area where she has the video tutorials for the lessons in the box. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in this month's box. Okay, so the first thing in this month's box is this pattern. So in this month's box, you're going to learn how to make accurate, fast square in a square units in any size, and her technique for turning a square in a square block into a star block in any size. So we're gonna learn some math quilty secrets in this month's box, which is great. This is perfect, especially if you like to create your own quilts. Knowing quilt math, always a bonus. And this is a nice cardstock as well with instructions and everything. Looks super easy and beginner friendly for this month as well, so I'm really loving that. And I can always use more help with my quilty math, so I'm excited to watch this video and see how to figure out how to make the same block in a variety of sizes. So let's see what's in the rest of the box. The next thing in this month's box is a 1.5 by 6.5 inch Creative Grids ruler, and rulers are always super handy, and I have a feeling we're going to be using this. I don't have this particular size, so I'm excited to have it. One of the great things about the Creative Grids rulers, if you can see, sorry about the glare, but this little area right here is actually a kind of anti-slip grip, so these rulers are probably one of my favorite brand of rulers, and I really love the clear lines, and I love that they have the non-slip backing on them. So I'm super excited to see this in this month's box. All right, the next thing in our box this month is some Gutermann thread, and this is just a nice kind of beige color. It is in the 90-45 colorway, and it looks like it is 50 weight and 100 meters. Okay, and I'm assuming we'll use that for this project as well. Okay, ooh, these are awesome. Always can use more of these. And I use these all the time. This is a friction erasable pin, and you just do that. And then this little guy right here is an eraser. And these pins are awesome. I use these in quilting all the time. All you have to do is write all over your quilt with them and then iron them off. The only thing to kind of note about these pins is if your quilt gets cold, the lines can come back if you have not already washed it. If you iron them off and then wash your quilt, then they'll be gone forever. But if you don't wash it, like I used this on a wall hanging once and I didn't wash it, I gave it to my husband's grandma. It's hanging in her kind of entryway and it gets really cold there, and the lines did come back. So just something to know, especially if you're shipping a quilt to, you know, like a quilt show or something where it's going to be on a truck and getting cold and you haven't washed it. Maybe don't use the friction pins. Otherwise, I love them and I use them all the time. All right, the next thing in our box this month is this yummy tea, and she always puts a cute tea bag in there, which I think is just super sweet. This is the organic lemon ginger flavor steep by, what is that? Bigelow Tea Company. So she always puts these fun little treats in there, which I just think is a nice touch. We've also got some batting, and this just feels like, almost feels, it doesn't say what kind of batting it is. It feels sort of polyester-y to me, but it's the batting that you'll need for your quilted pillow top. We've also got some muslin in here as well we're going to need for our pillow top. And then we have some beautiful fabric in here, so I'll just hold them up for you one at a time. This is kind of a, sorry it's getting a little bit blown out, but it's kind of just a regular kind of, like just a regular kind of creamy linen. We also have this one. It's a nice kind of tan with some white. We have a lovely teal color, again with a white kind of print on it. A little bit more of the tan with a print. And then we have this nice kind of larger print. Same teal and kind of a creamy background. All right, and that's everything in our box this month. That is what we are going to be needing to create this pillow top right here. I think as far as product favorites go, definitely love the fabric. That's always one of my favorites. I'm really happy to have this ruler. I do not have this size, I don't think yet. And Creative Grids are my all-time favorite brand of rulers. And then friction pins, I can always use more of these. These things are amazing and I use them all the time. And I like these ones that don't have the lids. I have the ones with the lids as well, but these are particularly nice because I'm not losing lids. I can just quickly, you know, pop them on and off. So anyways, these are my favorites for this month's box. Let me know in the comments below what you think your favorites are. And if you're enjoying these reviews, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. I like to do these so that you guys can kind of see what comes in these subscription boxes before you spend your hard-earned money on them. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.